Hello, assalamu alaikum. We are discussing dictionaries, and we have covered in dictionaries how to create them, how to access data them, how to modify them, how to add single data in it, and to add multiple key value pairs in dictionaries. Now it's time for us to know what are the dot keys, dot value, and dot item method, and how they are super beneficial for us when we are programming. Okay, so some for example, we have dictionary item. If we want to catch the item called a, we provide that key, and hooray, we have dictionary dot a. But what if I want to know how many keys are there in this dictionary? So that hasn't been initiated well. Let us do that again. If I want to know, I haven't seen this dictionary, I just want to know how many keys are there. So based upon those keys, I can access the values. Now I can use the dot keys method here, and it will provide me all the keys available in this dictionary: A, B, C, D, E, F. If I want to know how many values are there, irrespective of the keys, intuitively I know you would have figured it out. It's the values method. Okay, and this will give us all the values that are associated with each of these keys. Okay, and if we use the dictionary dot items method, it sorry it will return us all of the key value pairs in form of tuples. Okay, in form of tuples that would be saved inside a list. So if you want to have all of the data that is presented in a dictionary printed in a systematic form, you can use the method called dot items. So when do we use these? Okay, one of the main use is while using for loops. Okay, so for example, in for loop, you can utilize it like this: for key in dictionary. For example, you are doing some process on each of the keys in dictionary. Okay, how will you grab those? You will use the keys function. These keys will be one by one displayed in this key variable, and upon this key variable you can do any kind of task. Okay, key is equal to, for example, you can say plus, as it will be a string, key is equal to a. Okay, so with all of the keys, a will be added, and now you can also print it. Print the key now. What happened? So let us first save this in a variable called b, and then print b here. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the key items and value methods to iteratively, automatically do some process functions, lambda functions, either upon the all of the keys in the dictionary, or either upon all of the values in the dictionary, or both of them. There are tons of use cases like that. Those will be, inshallah, discussed in the future videos. Thank you very much.